Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel codeWithKhan. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Let's see second question. Why Java is not a pure object oriented language? So what is pure object oriented language means? So everything in that language should be in objects. But in Java, everything is object, right? What is the parent class of all the classes in Java? Which is object, right? We have Java dot lang dot object. So this is the parent class for all the classes in Java. So we have two cases where it breaks the object oriented principles. So one is primitive data types. So Java has these 8 primitive data types like byte, short, int, long, float, double, char and boolean. So it has these primitive data types. So because of that reason, this is not a pure object oriented language. So it has wrapper classes also for these primitive data types, like int has integer class, right? So what is the difference between this int and integer class is, so this int is a primitive data type and this is a class. So whenever you create a variable int x is equals to 10, right, it consumes in memory in stack memory. And whenever we create an object, right, integer x is equals to, so to create an object we need to use new keyword integer of 10. So this creates an object in the heap memory. So in object oriented languages, so everything should be in this objects only, but Java provides us to create these primitive data types also. So that is one reason. And the second reason is Java provides the static methods and variables. So what are static methods? So let's take a class test and which has show method, right? This has a show method. So we print something high, okay? So to access this method, so what we need to do, we need to create test object, right? T is equals to new test. So then only we will be able to access this method. So this is fine because we are dealing with objects. But if you use the keyword static before this function, so then we don't need to create the object of this test class. So we can directly use the test class dot show. So we can directly call the method like this. Here we are not creating the objects. So this is another breaking rule. So since Java is breaking these two rules mainly, so that's why it is not a pure object oriented programming language. So whenever interviews ask us that is Java a pure object oriented language, so we should say these are the two main reasons why Java is not pure object oriented language. One is primitive data types, another one is static methods and variables. That's it guys. Thank you. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe.